Hey class, this is Dr. Willis. I wanted to jump in here really quick to provide a little screen capture of the Module 7 Academic Success Plan assignment. So as you can recall, we don't have a Learn Smart we don't have a discussion board, but we have a Learn Smart here and the Academic Success Plan. Now, first where I am, I'm in Module 7. I'm at the bottom of Module 7. So I'm going over the Academic Success Plan. So it says right here in Module 5, you developed an academic mission statement and short-term goals for your future college success. So we've done that part already. I believe that's going to be section either 2 or 3 in the Academic Success Plan. But we've done that. So what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open the Academic Success Plan template. This is where you'll type everything for this assignment. So I'm not going to click there because I already have it downloaded right there. Okay, and I'll scroll up. So I'm going to go. It just says this is the template. You can customize to your own liking, etc. So my name, I put the name Gabe Willis. My student ID number, I just kind of made up some numbers there, all zeros. I made up a major and I made up a graduation date. But this is, you put this specific information into the template. So the first thing you're going to do is the time management plan. So I'll allow you to read those directions. But the basic gist is you're just giving a snapshot of your weekly activities. So for example, I'll put right here from 5 to 6 a.m. I wake up the kids. From 6 to 7, at some point I drop the kids off in that area. Okay, then I'm going to work from 8 to, let's say, 5, and I'm going to work all those times. All those will say work. All right, and let's say 5 o'clock, I'm going to pick up kids. Okay, 6 o'clock, prepare dinner maybe. 7 o'clock, give kids a bath. 8 o'clock, homework. Okay, that may be a sample. All right, that may be a sample of your life. And if this is for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then great. That's perfectly fine. And that's how you're going to fill out that time management plan. You want to be very thorough and detailed. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to look at black holes. Now, black holes, as it says here, is any unplanned appointment, procrastination, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. For me, my black holes is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, really not planning out my day accordingly. So those things are my black holes. So right here, you can start this section off by saying the black holes in my life are, and then you go into explaining that. Right here, 1 to 2 solid paragraphs. Use complete sentences, at least 5. Section 2 is your academic mission statement and goals. It says include a revision, but if these were good, if this section is really good, and in Module 5 I gave you a good grade, please simply copy and paste into this section. Go back to Module 5 and just copy and paste what you've done into this section. All right, now Section 3, it says, as you consider your mission statement, goals, and time management plan, identify at least 3 specific strategies or resources you are going to utilize to help you accomplish your goals. Consult the additional resources section of the course. So I'm going to leave this page for a second, and I'm going to come back to the course. And if you see right here where it says additional resources, all right, this is where you can look for that. All right, that's that section. And it also says look for academic support. That's also right here to the left side. And it's going to show you all those things for academic support, learning community, online writing center. It explains all that there. So that's where you go to find that. So I'll come back to the template. All right. So it says for each strategy or resource, discuss the following. What is the strategy or resource? Why is it important? So let's say, for example, I say the online writing center. Okay. Then I'll say why, you explain why it's important. The online writing center is important because ... Okay, that's my first one. Then I may say the library Then I may say my advisor. And you're going to explain for each of those. All right, follow that? Okay, now, and here it is right here. How will you measure your own success in using this strategy? For instance, if you commit to using the Writing Center, a measurement of success may be to successfully set up a Writing Center appointment at the beginning of your next term. All right, so you're going to right here. I'm sorry I did that up here. It should have been done right here. So this is the template for that. So I would say Online Writing Center. Why it is important. I'll click there. And how will I know that I am successful in using this strategy? That's where I put that. All right. Now, that's all the sections of this document. So once I finish, what I'm going to do is I'm going to file and I'm going to save. Okay. So wherever you save it on your computer, and once mine comes up, I'm going to save it. I'll upload it, or I'll save it to my computer, and then I'll come back to Module 7. I'll come back to Module 7. All right, I'll scroll all the way down, go back to Module 7, scroll all the way down again, and I'll click the 7-2 project, and this is where I'll submit. I'll browse my computer, I'll find the document, and then I'll upload it and I'll submit. All right, I know that was a bit lengthy, but hopefully everybody got that. All right, bye-bye.